Hello, driving intelligence community. I'm sitting in the back seat of my very dark, very black interior of my 2002 Harley Davidson F150. I'm about to post a video that shows a power window that I put in the back. I haven't put that video together yet, but I now have this set up as a power rear window, something I always wanted. But in order to do this, you have to take out the center console on the back, and these 2002, 2003 Harley Davidson F150s had this center console as a standard feature, and I think the King Ranches and some of these other vehicles may have had the center console, and it was a little bit of a puzzle to get it out. I'm going to show you how I got it out and post this as a separate video, and then later on you'll see how I put that power window in the back. To start the removal, you'll need to take out two 8mm bolts, one on each side of the console. Then you'll need to remove 7 Torx head screws, one of which holds the strap in place. That's going to be a little bit of fun to get back in there. After removing the lid, you've got 4 screws that need to be removed out of the bottom of this. This is just the tub, and then the tub can be pulled out. At this point, you only have 6 more fasteners to remove. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side within the shell. And then there's 2 Torx head underneath this lip that need to be removed, and then this entire shell can be removed, exposing the framework. That's how I remove my center rear console. Obviously, reinstallation is just the reverse of the removal. Just a bunch of fasteners that makes it a little complicated. But once you get it out, it gives you a lot of room back there. And as I'll show in a different video, I put a power rear window in the back. Sorry for how dark it is in this truck. It's just completely black. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.